Okay, October More mobile display. I fixed the toggle, bypassed Elementor's default toggle system so that it doesn't push the content around on the page. Major effing improvement right there. And then we've also got this going on where we're expanding. The footer content is staying centered. You don't have any weird gaps on the top. This still looks good. The drop down. I think what's happening here though is when it reaches the aspect ratio of the original image, which is about this, it starts to pull the content because it doesn't have any more width. So I'm thinking maybe if you photoshopped more of this background into the sides of each of these and made the image even larger, when we're starting, sure, we've got it like that, but as we keep going, the canvas will allow us to see more of the background on each side, keeping that thing in the middle.